Hey crafters, so I wanted to show y'all really fast what I made for my niece for her baby shower. So this is the collection I made it out of. It was the Dream Big Little Girl by Echo Park. And that is going to be her name. Miss Oaklynn Marie is going to be joining us soon. So this is some just little journal cards that her mom can fill out, different little tags. I put in some ribbons. Here is how they announced it to Facebook that she was coming, and I left a lot of things blank where they could fill it out themselves. And then here I would flip up these pages, but it's pictures of my nieces and the mom and dad, so I'm not going to show those, but I left like journaling area where they could add in. And then in here I have a picture of her ultrasound, and I left it blank where they could do, you know, either her name or her weight or whatever they wanted to on this page. I did a big pull tab here with some cards in it, and then on the back it's a huge journaling pad, just several little tags. I put tags everywhere I could, and then the regular pages I just put like little decorations on them just where they would have something. That's the first center. Lots of little cards. I made this one a little pass-through. Just lots of things. And here, I'm sorry if I wasn't even showing you, but here I have a little fold down where you can put stuff in these, and I'm going to tell her that, you know, you can put a picture here, and then this is a pocket. And then we have more decorated pages in there. And then this is a envelope that they can stick little cards in. I already have some in there. Same thing, a little flip down. Oh, and these like open up where you could put a picture in them and do a peekaboo on them. Lots of little cards here. These open up where they can add more pictures. More decorated pages. Made that one a little tab. This is mulberry paper. I thought it went well with like the like rustic but still kind of, you know, not full on country. Thought it went well. There's another little flip out here, and this flips up, and these flip open. You can put pictures and journal there. And then there's also, oop, halfway glued our card to our pocket. It appears so. So there is that little card there. Thankfully it came out without ripping. It did rip my inside of my pocket just a little. I'll repair that. Another little flip up. And some more little pockets. And then I did a cute little just scrappy dangle on the side. I thought that was very, very cute. And her room is going to be done in like daisies and Highland cows and just very muted tones, so I thought this went very well, and I just wanted to show you with that really quickly before I gave that to her. I hope y'all enjoy.